Good morning. I am Dr.D.Sathya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to talk about very interesting topic, Standard Hydrogen Electrode. So we will discuss about the design thinking based Standard Hydrogen Electrode. So first of all, what is this picture? Do you understand? Yes, I can explain it. This is a standard hydrogen electrode is the diagram. Here we are using the two electrode in yellow electrode is called it the standard hydrogen electrode. That blue line is called it salt bridge. So the solution will be the electrolytic solution. We will discuss what is the electrode, salt bridge and solution, how it construction and what is the application. We will discuss one by one. So first we know about the empathy. That means what is the understand of standard hydrogen electrode? Why we need to study the standard hydrogen electrode? For how do you measure our normal human height? So we need here some reference point. That means a scale. So similarly in electrochemistry, to measure the electrode potential, we need to reference electrode. So standard hydrogen electrode acts as a standard reference electrode. So in electrochemist need to a reference electrode to measure the potential of other electrodes. So without a standard reference, the comparison are meaningless. So here the problem is different electrode show the different potential and environmental conditions like an ion concentration it will be different, temperature it will be different and pressure it's affect also reproducibility. So here we need to reliable and reproducible and universally accepted reference electrode that can be used in labs and experiment. That's why we need to study the standard hydrogen electrodes. So what is the define? The framing of challenge, what is the define? After empathizing, we need to define the problem clearly. The challenge, how can we design an electrode that provides a stable and reproducible potential of zero voltage? It's under standard condition. That means a normal room temperature, one molarity of H plus and one atmospheric pressure of hydrogen and can serve as a universal reference. Yes, the key points, main thing, it's a standard hydrogen electrode is a reference electrode to measure the electrode potential. It consists of the platinum electrode coated with the platinum black, dipped into 1 molarity of H plus solution with a hydrogen gas of bubbling. Yes, the stability and reproducibility of potential, the standard conditions and also the compatibility with other electrodes in electrochemical cell. So it's very easy to use in laboratory settings. So this is the standard hydrogen electrode potential. The concentration will be 1 molarity, pressure 1 atmospheric pressure at room temperature. We can use the electrode with using the other electrode. So we need to learn more. What about the cell representation? That means what are the electrode, anode or cathode is present in the cell. That means the platinum in a solid format and hydrogen, what atmospheric pressure in H plus ion present in the HCl solution. So the standard hydrogen electrode potential value is 0. So that we can measure with other electrode potential also using this SKG. So ideate, how does it work? So it's very important. We think the multiple ways to solve this problem. Yes, use a metal contact with the ion. That means the platinum is chemically inert and suitable. That's why we taken in a platinum. And idea 2, engage the surface area using the platinum black. That means observe the hydrogen effectively. Idea 3, maintain the constant hydrogen gas pressure. That means 1 atmospheric pressure to ensure the stable concentration. Idea 4, use the strong acid solution. That means 1 molarity of HCl solution to provide the constant H plus concentration. Idea number 5, ensure the setup can be easily connect with the other electrodes in a cell. So the 5 points is also important. So the metal is number 1, how to choose the metal, that means platinum metal. Then point number 2, the platinum black to absorb the hydrogen effectively. Point number 3, the constant hydrogen gas pressure is maintained 1 atmospheric pressure. And fourth point, we can use the strong acid, that means 1 molarity of HCl solution. And number 5, its setup is easily connect with the other electrode. So these points are very important for an ideate form. So that's why we are using the platinum. So prototype, the constructing the electrode. Yes, after ideating, we built a fractional model of the solution. We need to platinum electrode, it's a inert, and platinum black coating to increase the surface area for hydrogen absorption, and molarity, 1 molarity of HCl solution, that means a source of H plus ions, and hydrogen gas supply is 1 atmospheric pressure, and electrochemical coil setup is totally here. So these are the important thing for constructing SHE. This is the application in measurement. Likewise, then zinc or zinc 2 plus and H plus, that means zinc act as a anode and SHE act as a cathode. That means we can the cell representation like this, measure the EMF, potential of zinc electrode, She voltage is 0. So used the forming of electrochemical series. In corrosion studies, used in corrosion potential measurement and identify metals prone to oxidation. It helps to industries to design the anti-corrosion coatings and choose cathodic production materials. Thank you.